Hello everyone, I am Aryan Mandviya. Today, me and my friends will brief you about phrasal verbs. My verb is proceed. I have selected 6 phrasal verbs for it, which are proceed at, proceed to, proceed with, proceed from, proceed against, and proceed towards. So let's start with proceed to. It means to move forward or travel in a particular direction. For example, passengers for Miami should proceed to gate 9 for boarding. It means that passengers going to Miami should go to gate 9 for boarding. Having said she was not hungry, she then proceeded to order a 3-course meal. Means she went to order a 3-course meal. Next is proceed from. It it means to happen or exist as a result of something. For example, they were to proceed here on foot. It means that from this point they will proceed ahead on foot. In some cases, appeals may proceed directly from High Court to the House of Lords. Proceed with. It means to continue as planned beforehand. For example, let us proceed with our lesson. It means that it was planned before and they will now go ahead with their lesson. Now that we have secured planning permission from the city, we can proceed with our construction as planned. Proceed at. To begin a course of action. You need to proceed at a considerably slower pace. Proceed against. To start to take legal action against something. For example, there was not enough evidence to proceed against him. Proceed towards. To go towards something. Some of the people wanted to proceed towards Greece, others wanted to return to Turkey.
As you have learned the phrasal verb proceed from Aryan, so let us start with our next phrasal verb, flow. Before learning the phrasal verb used with flow, we will have to see the meaning of the word flow. The word flow means move steadily or continuously in a current or stream. Our first phrasal verb is flows between. Flows between mean at, into, or across separating two objects or regions. Example: the river is flowing between two lakes. Our next phrasal verb is flow across. The meaning of flow across is to move across something in a smooth, fluid manner. The example of flow across is the river flow across the hillside. Our next phrasal verb is flow to. Meaning of flow to is to move in a direction to reach a destination in a liquid manner. Example: they are trying to get blood flowing to her brain. Our next phrasal verb is flow from. The flow from meaning is indicating a point through which a journey starts in a liquid manner. Example: water is constantly flowing from tap. Now, my friend Aryan will continue.
Hello everyone, I am Aryan Zalkar and I am going to tell you about phrasal verbs of interfere. I have taken 3 phrasal verbs of interfere which are with, between and in. Our first phrasal verb is interfere with, meaning to stop or slow something or to make something slower or more difficult. Example: the drug might interfere with a child's physical development. Second example: all of the noise was interfering with my concentration. A second phrasal verb is interfere in, meaning to involve yourself in a matter connected with other people without being asked or needed. Example: interfering in other people's argument is always a mistake. A third phrasal verb is interfere between. Interfere between means to involve yourself in a situation when your involvement is not wanted or is not helpful. Example 1: I would never interfere between a husband and wife. Second example: he would never interfere between us. Now, my friend Ayush will continue.
Hello everyone, I am Ayush Nikre. Now I will tell you about the phrasal verbs of bend. I have taken 6 phrasal verbs of bend which are bend to, bend over, bend on, bend down, bend in and bend forward. First, bend to. It means to do what is demanded by. Example, the city council was forced to bend to public pressure. Second, bend over, meaning to bend one's upper body forward and down while standing or kneeling. Example, I had to bend over to see all the way down there. Third, bend on. It means to be very determined to do something. Example, he was bent on quitting his job even though he is making a lot of money. Fourth, bend down. It means lower the top half of your body. Example, I bent down to pick it up off the floor. Fifth, bend in. It means to curve or turn inward. Example, the side of the shed bent in under the force of the wind. Sixth, bend forward. It means to lean in a forward direction. Example, okay, everyone now bend forward and touch your toes. Thank you. Now my friend Abhiraj will continue.
Hello everyone, myself Abhiraj Shrikant Davre. My topic is phrasal verb used with word enclosed, that are enclosed about, enclosed before, enclosed at, enclosed in, enclosed with, enclosed within, enclosed by, enclosed between. Enclosed with. Example, Priya's house was enclosed with a high brick wall and looked very dull. Enclosed between. The crowd was waiting against the walls symmetrically enclosed between the balustrades. Enclosing in. Every page enclosing in the midset a square of text that look a little. Enclosed by. A harbor is enclosed by two stone piers and there is a good anchorage in the bay. Enclosed within. They soon reach a small hut near which, enclosed high palings, was the animal in question. Enclosed at. There were the 50 with their lambs enclosed at the other end, as he had left them, but the rest forming the bulk of the flocks were nowhere. Enclosed before. My dear Conan Doyle, yours just to hand, and as I have now had an hour to sort things out, I write at once so that you have the enclosed before you at the earliest moment.